Welcome, friends. We'll do a small live commentary here today. Whenever there are opportunities, I think these are the times when we should not leave to understand the market better. So basically, I thought we are now looking at a key juncture in Bank Nifty. This is a intraday 5-minute chart, and you see that today in the market after opening at key level and getting rejected at 32,972. So basically what traders look for is they look for supply in this zone. Immediately they got rejected because they could not get enough supply here, and immediately we were rejected to the bottom of this range, almost near the bottom of this range. We could again, where I informed in my Telegram channel that buyers were responding and we need to be careful here. We exited our Nifty puts also here on our first target, and you see that buyers again came at this particular level. So I was looking for either break of this or break of this. Otherwise, it is this zone is better for selling options, which I did on Friday. So as of now, the market is in a very small range and there is no big momentum on either side. However, now we see that slowly we are testing supply on the upside. So there was a failed test here, and then again we came here. Now we are kind of taking a lot of liquidity here. Now a key zone to look for here is break of this particular area. Just a minute. So a break of this area, because we tested fresh in the morning, so probably those players might see here slowly, they're kind of eating all the buyers, and in the morning you see how they rejected with a lot of supply. You see that there was the supply was rejected. They could not get enough buyers here, so that's why they went down, took buyers a lot, and now again they are looking for break of 32,975. This is going to be a very important level for today. So any break of this is going to take us to a nice zone. So how can you see the zone where we can go on an intraday basis? That is how my analysis is going to be. So I'll just draw a nice small Fibonacci, and you see that this is a Fibonacci confluence zone. So basically, if we are successful in breaking this particular zone and break above 32,975 and sustain there, the momentum needs to be there. We cannot just kind of go touch and come back. And the market, what market may do is throughout the day, it can go touch here, and then keep on checking for liquidity there. If it finds enough liquidity, we are going to go directly to 33,535. If we break 33,139, that is a precondition. We have to break 33,139 on today's levels. These levels keep changing. You cannot expect one particular level based on only price action. Yes, of course, price action is very important. However, we need to see the moving dynamics of the order flow. We need to see what sellers are doing in this particular zone. Are they able to overpower buyers, or are they giving to buyers? Okay, so that is a key trade. Let's see what is happening in Infi. We took a trade on Infi. Wonderful trade. We took a wonderful trade. I'll post the trade shot in our Telegram channel. We ended around 1408. I was a bit late because I was looking for a break of confirming break of 1404, 04 or 05. So basically I was looking for a break of this zone, which we broke. So we immediately on break of that, we entered here with a stop loss, with a minus stop loss of 10 rupees. So basically we tucked in our stops somewhere here. So basically our stop was here. So we did not have much of risk, 10 rupees risk, which is like 3,000 for one lot. And now our target, the first target was 1415. Our first target was 1415, and our second target is 1430. However, there is no entry right here. Please do not enter here because it is a very poor trade location. This is the most important thing I want to teach you. You should never enter a trade in a bad location. Write this in big letters, because entering a trade in bad location will only bring you a swing of losses, string of losses. You are never going to act logically or subjectively when you are entering in a poor location. Okay, a bad location or poor location, whatever it is. Now basically for Infi, this zone is going to be a major support. Now this zone is going to be a very crucial support. So if this supports acts well, probably we are going to look at 1430. Here also we can see, just for confirmation, we just followed the order flow, but here we will seek for confirmation. Yeah, we have even 1440 as a target, but I would not enter. We need to break this 1419. Once we break this 1419, we can immediately see 1430 and 1440 levels. However, in our trade, the risk is nil, because we have moved our stop loss to entry, so there is no risk for our trade. However, you should not enter here. So you can enter here again, but you need to keep a stop loss of 1398, just 10 rupees. Do not give too much, because the market is at the key supports, so it can break down pretty fast. Okay, so that's all for Infi. And let's see again what is happening in Bank Nifty Poor. I mean, for a fast market, this is not the kind of liquidity that I would look for. However, a break of 32,975 can bring a lot of action. Let's see what is happening in Kotak. Yeah, in Kotak, we made a very small gain. We did not gain big. We got 10 rupees, and then we exited the trade at cost. That's it. And in Bank Nifty, keep a watch on break of this level. So it's going to bring in good trades on the long side. Otherwise, we have to break the downside. We need to break this level with confidence. We need to break 32,500 with confidence, and a break of day low at 32,373 is going to bring a fresh fall in Bank Nifty. However, my base case scenario, base case means it is neither bullish nor bearish. It's going to be a trading range until Wednesday. We are going to trade this week in this particular range unless these two levels are broken. Okay, hope this video has been useful for you to plan your trades and to look for what the market is doing. And understanding the market structure is paramount to successful trading. Have a great day, guys. Be safe.